Hello, here we are going to set up the free shipping discount for the users who based in your selected country or locations. So here I'm going to show you how you can set up the free shipping discount with using the discount widget. Here I have already added the discount widget. If you want to add in your store, then please click on the edit widget. Here is the discount, then click on edit. So let's show how it works. So here in the discount settings, some default steps should be set up from your end as per your convenience. Here I have added the discount message which will be going to show to user when they see this widget. Then discount type is free shipping. Here you can apply discount. Here you can apply the cart total amount. So after reaching to this amount, the customer will be able to apply this shipping. Here's the discount name, then success message. This message will be appear when customer will click on the apply discount button. So if they are eligible to get the discount, they will get this message after clicking on that button. Now here is the error message. So let's suppose you have set it the $99 in your cart. So customer will reach to $99 to get this free shipping discount. If they have added less than this amount, they will get this message. So you can set the message as per your convenience. Next, there is the button setting. This button setting is here, so you can change the background color, text, then text color. You can also show the time limit offer. So if you want to customers to set the free shipping in some limited time, then you can set it over here. Now the main thing is here, rules. So for applying this discount only based on the country, you can set a rule here. Now select parameter user location, then condition country is means that you are going to apply this discount free shipping to only eligible countries, like you want to apply that in your own country. So you can select the country from here, like say I select Australia, then United Kingdom or United States. So when customer belongs from this location, they will see this widget, so they can get the free shipping from this location. And if you select condition country is not, then the customer who belongs from selected country, they will not get this discount. Then after doing these settings, click on save button. Here we go. Thank you.